In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share OneNote in a Zoom meeting. Sharing your notes effectively during a Zoom meeting can make discussions more organized and productive, and OneNote is a powerful tool to help you achieve that. By using OneNote alongside Zoom, you can ensure that all participants have access to the same information in real time, making collaboration seamless and efficient. To get started, open your OneNote application on your computer. Make sure it is installed and ready to use before your meeting begins. OneNote is designed to organize your notes, and today you'll see how it can function as an interactive resource during your virtual meetings. Once the application is open, navigate to the My Notebooks section. This area displays all the notebooks you have created or have access to. If you aren't already signed in, OneNote may prompt you to log in with your Microsoft account credentials. Being signed in ensures that you can access all your notebooks without any interruptions. Next, click on the View Notebook option. This opens the specific notebook that contains the content you want to share with your colleagues or classmates. Double-check that you've selected the correct notebook to avoid confusion later during the meeting. Once the notebook is open, locate the Share option. This button is usually easy to find and is essential for managing how your content is distributed. After clicking Share, select the Share Entire Notebook option. This choice is ideal for Zoom meetings where attendees need access to all the notes in the notebook, rather than just individual pages or sections. By sharing the entire notebook, you simplify the process and ensure everyone has the same context during your discussion. Once the notebook is ready to be shared, copy the link generated by the Share Entire Notebook feature. Paste this link into the Zoom chat during your meeting. This step is crucial because it allows attendees to open the notebook in real time. They can view and, depending on the permissions, interact with the content, making your collaboration much more dynamic and engaging. Using this method, you can confidently conduct Zoom meetings where all participants have access to the same notes, keeping your discussions organized and productive. This approach enhances collaboration and ensures everyone stays on the same page. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.